start my day dropping off my daughter to school. Of course, I already brushed my teeth and washed my face before anything else. I ran out of battery while I was outside. You know, old Sony cameras. But I already dropped off my daughter to her school. And today is one of those few days that I don't have a scheduled photo shoot, no pending video editing, photo editing, no client meeting. So yeah, I'm free today. So I'm thinking maybe cook some Filipino food, or I don't know, we'll see. By the way, I'm cooking this popular Filipino menu. It's called the chicken adobo. It's right there. School. Hi G. How's school? Okay. Aren't you gonna ask what's the food today?
I can smell it.
You can smell me? So what's the food?
Adobo.
Good guess. So, did you eat the adobo, ma? So, what do you think? It's okay?